what I'm packing for a beach vacation. So I am going on vacation with my family to Long Beach Island, New Jersey. This is a really cute tradition that we used to do when I was younger, and now we're trying to pick it up again now that we're all adults and grown. So what I wanted to start with is beach essentials. So my swimsuits, my sunscreen, my sun protector gear. So I will start with the bags. So I've got this bag that I just thrifted, this beautiful straw bag with the little shell flowers on it. This will be great to bring to the beach, also wear throughout the day. So I think that's going to be like my everyday bag slash my beach bag. But if I'm not feeling that bag, I can also bring this bag, which I have had since I was in elementary school. So it's been over 2 decades or 2 decades-ish, maybe a little less. But it's so cute, purple, can go over like that. But this is just casual. Again, could wear throughout the day or just to the beach. But in these bags, what I would put is my sunscreen, which I bring a lot of sunscreen. This one's also almost empty. This one's basically full, so I'm going to bring both. But I like this one to use on like my legs, my stomach. Then I get this La Roche-Posay. Guys, my sister introduced me to this product. She's a dermatology PA, and she recommended that I use some of their products, and I've been using their moisturizing sunscreen every day. It's this one. I use this every single day. It doesn't make me break out. I highly recommend this. But so I was like, well, I would like to have like a body one that I could use throughout the summer. And so I found this one at CVS, SPF 60, which I love. So I use this on my chest, my arms, my back, and my face too. You know, this is a little bit more expensive than Hawaiian Tropic, but I don't buy a lot of makeup, and so this is my makeup. This is my skincare, and I love it so much. So this will be in my bag as well. And more sun protector items is my hats. So I'm going to bring this wide brimmed hat, but I love this hat because it doesn't have the brim all the way around the back. So that allows me to lay down with it, to, you know, rest my head on the back of a chair, but it just goes with everything. I love the black sash, just very elegant, classic. It will stay with me over many, many years. I've worn it so many times this summer. I absolutely love it, so it has to come with me. And then I'll also bring just a little ball cap, this Tommy Hilfiger one. I love the green color, simple, perfect for like when we go for walks throughout the day, or if I want to wear something a little bit sturdier on my head, because this one, I mean, may have a tendency to fly off. It does have little strings right here that I tie around my hair so that it's a little bit more secure, but this is just like a classic, more sporty option. So those are coming with me. Then all my bathing suits. I like to bring options, obviously, depending on the activity that we're going to do, you know, what I'm feeling that day. So start off with this purple option. I got this last summer from Target, and I didn't get to wear it last summer. So I'd love to wear this. It used to be like a crisscross, but I changed the straps to just be more like here rather than crisscross in the back. This is going to be my most colorful bathing suit probably. And honestly, I'd probably wear like this ballerina skirt that I would love to wear as like a little skirt cover up with this. So cute. You'd have to see it on, but it's really cute. Then I'm just gonna put stuff in the bag while I'm showing you guys because I don't want to forget anything. Then I've got just a lot of black bathing suits. I've got staple bottoms. I love the lettuce hem with the ruched butt. These are just I've had these kinds since I was in high school, and I just keep buying more because they're easy, they're classic, and comfortable. And I like a fuller coverage. They're not perfect. They're not the coverage that I love. I do love my butt to be covered. I'm not the skimpy coverage on the booty kind of gal, but they'll do. And then I've got a bunch of black tops to pair with those bottoms. I do have another pair of black bottoms, which I'm gonna need to find, but then I've got this like bra leg one, which I love this for tanning. It's just super easy, slinky, love it, classic. Then I've got my triangle one. Then I've got this bandeau one, which is actually really cute with like a pair of shorts. Kind of looks like a top with like a button-down shirt and my hat. It will be perfect. Then one of my most recent bikini purchases is this black and white bikini. But I thought this was really cute, so I'm gonna try it out. These are the bottoms. So excited for that. Then I don't know why I bought a white bathing suit, but I did. White bathing suits get so dirty so quickly, especially at the ocean. But I'm going to bring it because this top does look really cute with shorts and things like that. So I'll bring the top and the bottoms for it. These, I wish they were better coverage, like such a small amount of coverage. I really wish they had more, but that's okay. There's another bathing suit, it's like a blue one that is drying right now, but I'll bring that one too. And I'll also bring this little surf shirt just in case we boogie board. This was my sister's, have had it since early 2000s. And I will also bring a one piece just in case. I got this from TJ Maxx. I absolutely love it. It's like a low back scoop. Nice coverage, good for, you know, being around people you want to be a little bit more demure around. So those are all of my beach essentials. Oh, I'll also bring this bucket hat. My mom got this for me. I'll bring it. Those are all of my beach essentials. So I'm gonna make this part 1. Come back to my channel to see part 2, where I show you guys the outfits that I'm bringing. But also I have to make sure to pack for another trip that I'm going on right after this one. Literally the day we book out of our home that we're renting, I'm going on another trip with my boyfriend's family. So lots of fun things, lots of beach activities. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys there.